Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy Bijuteo Beading, and because spring is coming I want to show you how to create these colorful flower seed beads earrings. I'm showing this so a beginner would be able to make it. Consider subscribing with the bell for more free content or checking the membership for 50 unique tutorials and 53 beading patterns for the price of a latte. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay friends, and what I'm using here are 4 colors of 11/0 seed beads: dark blue, yellow, blue and pink. I'm also using earring findings. This is Nylbond Nylon Thread that is thick and keeps the shape well. You could use Fireline, Wildfire, whatever is your favorite thread. Here I'm using size 11 beading needle, use similar size, and scissors. And now I'm going to take about 160 meters of thread, which is 63 inches, and I will start. Okay guys, and I'm starting my work by picking up 12 of those beautiful dark blue beads. I'm going to slide those down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is to make a knot. And I'm making it by making a loop, going twice through the loop I've made, pulling gently, being careful not to stuck any beads inside the loop, and making just one more knot. Okay, and pulling tight. In my next step, I want to go through some beads in this direction. Take 3 yellow beads, skip this bead that's on my way, and go through the following. Three beads again. Skip and go through the following. 3 beads. Repeat the same step. And then 3 more times until the end. Okay, and if you feel like it, you can do an additional reinforcement of the inner circle here, if you want this to stay nice and tight. Okay, I reinforced this inner circle. It's not obligatory, but I just felt like it, so I did it. Now I will go through these 2 yellow beads. And I'm going to take a light blue, a dark blue, and a light blue. And I'm exiting through one of the yellows that are sticking out the most and going through the other. Okay, and I will repeat this. Okay, and I have this now, guys. Now I'm going into this light blue bead. Take 3 light blue and go here through these 3, light blue, yellow and light blue. Again, repeat the same thing. And again. And I will continue this until the end. Now guys, what I'm going to do is to go through these two blue beads, skip the central bead and go into the next blue, and when I pull, you see here it's like an angle forming. I already have these angles, but in this way they look even better. Then take a blue, a pink and a blue and go here in the same place through the second blue, counting from the center, skip the center and go through the next one and pull. Then take dark blue, a light pink and dark blue, go like this, and again I repeat the same thing guys, absolutely the same thing until the end of this row. Okay, now I have this. Now my friends, I'm going to through this blue bead. I'm taking dark blue, yellow, dark blue, and I'm going here into this pink bead in the center. And again, dark blue, yellow, dark blue, go like this, connecting the pink and the blue. Now the blue and the pink. Now the pink and the blue. And now the blue and the pink. And I will continue these guys off camera until this point. It's absolutely the same thing. If you forget how I'm doing it, just rewind, pause, do this and meet me here. Okay friends, and I'm adding here my last sequence of 3 beads, again connecting pink and blue with dark yellow, dark. Now the next row is super easy, just exit through one of the yellow beads and start adding 5 yellow beads and connect the yellows that are sticking out in this row. Here 5 again, go into the next yellow, 5, next yellow, 5 again, and 5. Okay, and I will continue absolutely the same way guys. pause the video, do this, rewind if you need to, and meet me here at the last step. Okay friends, and here I am where I'm adding my last 5 beads and go into the very first yellow where you started your row from. Now what I want to do is to go through 2 beads in this direction. I'm taking 3 yellow beads and I go here through the yellow right after the middle one that is sticking out the most. Okay, like that. Here I need 1 dark bead and I'm going here in the same place. So this is the angle bead. I count 1, 2 beads after the angle, the inner angle, and I go through this yellow which is next to the one that is sticking out the most. And I take 3 yellow beads. I skip here the central one, just like that. Take 1 dark bead and go into this second yellow here, and 3 yellow beads and go like this. Another dark blue bead and go here in the second yellow, counting from the center or 1 bead before the central one. Take 3 yellows, skip the center and go through the next. Okay, you see how beautifully it forms. It stopped this bending that we had in the previous row, and everything will flatten up and look great, guys, until we finish with this row. Okay, and now continue, pause and continue doing this row absolutely the same way until the end by adding 3 beads and then 1 bead. And when I'm ready, I'll be back to show you the result and how we continue. Just pause and meet me here. Okay friends, and here I am at the last step, and pay attention, you should go again through the second yellow, counting from the inner angle. Don't make the mistake to go through the top one. Okay, and with this the row is ready. Now I want to go through the next yellow, take 3 blue beads and skip the center and go into the next. Take 2 dark blue beads and go here in this yellow, 3 blue beads, light blue beads, skip the center and go through the next, 2 dark blue beads, go into the second yellow, 3 dark blue, skip the center and go like this, then 2, go in the same way, and 3 light blue beads. And you can continue doing these, guys, until the end and meet me here at the last step. Okay guys, and here I am where I'm adding my last 2 beads from this row. Pay attention where you go. You should go in this yellow bead. Now go through the first blue, and here take 3 pink beads and go, skip the center and go in the next blue. By the way, if you like how it all works up to here, you should consider subscribing if you still haven't, for more absolutely free tutorials like this one. And if you want additional unique content created with love, you can check the membership option that comes with 50 tutorials and 53 PDF beading patterns that you can download from my website and create beautiful jewelries. Once you become a member of my channel and go to the membership area here on YouTube, you will see a link and a password and you will be able to download them. Have in mind that the average price of such designs is around $5 each. So these 53 designs amount to $265, and this value grows with time, and I add tutorials as well here on YouTube, and you can have all of this just for the price of a latte. Check description and the join button. Okay guys, now continue all of this until the end and meet me here at the last step. Okay friends, and here I am at the last step where I'm adding the last 3 beads, and I'm exiting here out of this pink bead, and I take a blue bead, an earring finding and a blue bead, and I'm going backwards like this through this pink at the top. I'm reinforcing. Then I want to go through some beads in this direction, and I want to make a knot and cut this thread. Okay, so let's make here a loop. Let's go twice through the loop, pull tight, and then you can continue through some beads here in this direction. If you want, you can repeat this knot, but I think you're safe even without repeating it. So, okay, it's time to cut this main thread and this tail thread. Okay guys, and now my colorful spring flowers seed beads earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell, like, share and comment. In this way you will see more of my absolutely free content. You can also check the membership because you get 50 unique tutorials and 53 unique PDF beading patterns for the price of a latte. Check description and the join button.